Apparently my camera has a timer record setting. Cool! Anyways, we left some strawberries in the fridge this weekend while we were gone at South Tube. Woohoo, South Tube! We had an awesome time. So let's see if the strawberries are any good. Shall we? Oh, they're not in this fridge. That's right, my friend. They were in this fridge all weekend. I didn't know where they went. I asked Bradley, he didn't know either. Maxwell, of course, didn't know. And so, here they are. This is like so disgusting. Ugh. Okay, I'm done. Yuck. Now we have to clean out your fridge, buddy. Ew, 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 ew. Ugh.